So welcome back everyone, Mike here. This afternoon I'm out here in the woods with the RK37. I just pulled down a hung cherry tree. I'll put that video up above here in case you missed it. But while I'm out here, the ground's a little bit frozen. It's not frozen solid or anything like that. But I think I'm going to clean up some of these brush piles that I have along this trail here. And I'm going to pick a good spot here where I can burn some brush. Not today, but get a big pile build up, and then maybe when it snows or something like that, I'll light it up. So I'm going to look for a spot that you know, doesn't have a tree canopy hanging over it, a little bit open, and we'll just start piling up some brush here. I have a bunch of other stuff to do this afternoon. I get sidetracked really easy. I do. I'll come out to do one thing and I'll start doing something else, but that's all right. That's the way I like to do things, and I enjoy doing it that way. So first up, I'm going to find a place where we can start piling some brush and start piling it up. This is some of the stuff I have out here, just some, you know, small pieces of tops, some stumps. I want to start getting this cleaned up. This is a real nice section of woods back here, and I've been planning on doing this. It's just the weather has not cooperated. Big pile of brush there, all this stuff. I think right over in here would be a decent spot to start piling it up. I got one stump there that's kind of in the way, but I can go right through here, start making a pile, and then I'll just come back out here to the trail, pick out what I can, and start piling it up. One thing that I like to do, which I'm not doing today, so I won't be able to get it all, like see these real long pieces right here? I like to come out here with the chainsaw, just kind of shorten these pieces up a little bit. Because once you know, you can grab a hold of this whole pile probably, but trying to finagle your way in between all the trees isn't real easy when it's real long. But I'll get a little something done.
A tree up on the hill, and days go by on your windowsill, and you're standing in its shade. Raise your children tall and proud, chase away the lightning clouds until you finally get old and gray. all fade away. Plant a flag and make a stand, and build a fence around your land. But by and by, the stones will crumble down.
Oh man, this is like my new favorite thing to do, I think. Which is good because I got a whole bunch more to do. This is going to turn out really nice back here. I mean, there's a ton of work to do back here, but over time I'll get this all cleaned up. Where I'm standing is kind of one of my favorite places on the property. We have some really nice maples and some cherries and some oaks. The ground lays real nice and flat back here. It's just really nice. But what happens over time, you know, you get storm damaged trees. I cut a trail through here last year. I had, you know, brush piles laying all over the place. Had some ash trees that died in here. Not a whole bunch. They're not even worth firewood anymore. They're all punky and they're junk. They'll just go right in the burn pile. But yeah, this works out really well. Now, if you saw when I was running the 37 with the grapple, you know, the grapple works great for picking things up and carrying it, but it also works great, you know, you just get everything out to an open area and, you know, where the burn pile's straight ahead of you, and you can just push it ahead, you leave all the dirt there, works out really well. I'll also use Sherman, the RK24 out here with that little grapple. That will work really well too for getting in and around these trees and cleaning up the tight spots. But yeah, I'll just add this to my list of things that I want to do. But I enjoy doing it, and it'll look really good when it's done, and we'll be able to enjoy it for years to come. But anyway, I think I got to run over to the house, see what's going on over there. And so I'm going to end this video right now. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.